celebrated as the birth anniversary of Maulana Abul Kalam Azad. National Education Day. Every year, 11th November is celebrated as National Education Day to honor India's first education minister, Maulana Abul Kalam Azad. Maulana Azad was a great freedom fighter during the British rule. He was gifted with the power of knowledge and worked tirelessly to build the nation through education. According to Maulana Azad, schools are the laboratories that produce future citizens of country. He strives to eradicate illiteracy by supporting primary education and girls' education. He also established some of the best educational institutions in the nation. The purpose of celebrating this day is to bring awareness among the people and to raise the quality of education. On this day, educational institutes organize many innovative programs and conduct activities to highlight the importance of education. Thank you.
सवेरे सवेरे यारों से मिलने बन ठन के निकले सवेरे सवेरे यारों से मिलने घर से दूर चले रोके से ना रुके हम मर्जी से चले हम बादल सा गरजे हम सावन सा बरसे हम सूरज सा चमके हम स्कूल चले हम